Today this video is about the COVID negative report which has not been strictly checked at the Patra Devi border. And this has been happening on a regular basis, and I have here with me a passenger who travels Goa, Pune, Goa on a regular basis. So this is where the checks are not being done, money is collected and people are let scot-free into Goa. That is from when they're entering from Maharashtra into Goa. So I will talk to this passenger who's been traveling and let him share his experience as to what is happening at the border. Please do share your experience with everyone.
Okay. I've been in this luxury bus, in the sleeper bus, where the bus enters Patra Devi, and the conductor, the driver, the bus people, they very openly tell the people, if you do not have a test, continue sitting in the bus and pay 250 rupees and do not worry about going to the kiosk, the rapid antigen test kiosk that has been set up by the government for your test. Now let me tell you about the incident that happened yesterday, which I have on my phone. All right, the people were made to, get off the bus. Then the driver said that those who are not carrying a 72-hour prior test report, or who have taken only one dose, or who have not done testing, please stay back, and the others who have got the valid test report to go and show it to the officials at the kiosk. All right. Then he said that magajmani kyun karne ka, you pay me 250 rupees here and go back and sit in the bus. This has been very clearly recorded. This has happened inside Patra Devi, just 50 meters away from where two policemen were standing to man the four-wheelers that were coming in. All right, this is extremely, extremely disturbing. Goa has lost many people in the last wave. And if this is how our people in whom the government puts their trust work, then this is not correct. And this will lead to further cases when the third wave comes in.
All we are requesting is the government is don't give us fake promises and make sure that people who are sitting at the desk there at the check post at Patra Devi are serious. Whether it's North Goa or South Goa, they have to be serious of anyone coming into Goa, because the other states, our neighboring states, are following protocols. But why it's not happening when entering into Goa? Why 250 rupees is taken for an antigen test and just let go?
For 250
by the bus person. It can be a driver, it can be a conductor, anyone collecting money and saying your seat, everything will be okay. Is this how lenient we're taking these things? Are we serious about what is entering?
This is the cost of Goan life, a 250 rupee bribe.
250 rupees bribe, you're going to cost a family that this tourists are coming into Goa, and we're going to meet with the collector and we'll show you the video so that you can see this blatant misuse, and bribe that's happening on borderlines. And thank you so much for bringing this to our notice, because it's high time citizens voice up on this issue.
किसके नाम पे जा रहा हो, किसी को चलेगा? यार अब भी जाएंगे वहाँ, इससे ज़्यादा मगजमारी करने का क्या मतलब होएगा? तुम्हारा भी टाइम मेरा भी टाइम।
This was very disturbing, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. Extremely concerning, distressing and disturbing. And it has to stop. It has to stop with immediate effect.